Hey there, little artists! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw something super cool and heroic. Can you guess what it is? That's right! We are drawing a big, brave fire truck.
Yes!
First, let's start with the outline. We'll draw the front of the truck where the brave firefighters sit. Let's add the windshield and the side windows so they can see exactly where the emergency is. Now, let's stretch a big line to make the body of the truck. This is where all the important tools are kept. And look, don't forget the big round wheels, one at the front and one at the back. Roll, roll, roll. Wow, look at that! Our fire truck outline is almost ready, and it looks amazing! Are you ready to see what happens next? Don't go away, because in the next part, we are going to add something very exciting. Stay tuned!
Look, look! Every fire truck needs a shiny siren on top to go wee-woo, wee-woo! And now, let's draw the most important part, the big ladder. This helps the brave firefighters climb up high to save the day. Wow, our ladder is looking so cool. Next up, it's time to add some bright, beautiful colors. Let's get ready.
Yay! It's coloring time. What color is a fire truck? You guessed it, bright, bold red. Let's fill the body with this beautiful red paint. Splash, splash, splash. Wow, it's starting to look like a real super fast fire truck now. Remember to stay inside the lines, little friends. Let's color the front of the truck now. More and more red. The redder it gets, the faster it goes to help people. Look how beautiful it is looking. We are almost done with the red paint. Can you guess what colors we will use next for the windows and wheels? Let's find out. Look, we are putting beautiful blue on the windows. Now it looks like the bright sky is reflecting on the glass. Shine, shine, shine. The firefighters can see everything clearly now. And now, let's add some vibrant green around the windows and on the wheels. Wow, green and red look so cool together, don't they? Our truck is getting colorful and ready to speed to the rescue. Now, let's add some bright yellow right inside the wheels. Look at that! They shine just like the sun. Spin, spin, spin. Our fire truck is almost ready to roll. Now, let's paint the ladder steps with bright yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up we go! This beautiful yellow helps the firefighters see the steps clearly at night. Climb up high. Wow, look at that! We are adding some pretty pink to the bumper and the side of our fire truck. I love this color. It makes our truck look so unique and joyful. Splash, splash, splash. Who says fire trucks can only be red? Adding pink makes it the coolest rescue truck in the whole city. It's looking so colorful and bright now, little friends. We are almost done with our masterpiece.
Wow, look at that! Now we are using bright, juicy orange to color the stand and the frame of the ladder. It makes the truck look warm and full of energy. Let's fill it up nicely. Brushing up, brushing down. It looks absolutely beautiful. And guess what? We're adding lovely green and pink to the top ladder steps too. It's turning into a magical rainbow fire truck. The brave firefighters are going to love climbing this colorful ladder to save the day. Look how bright and happy our fire truck is looking now, little friends.
We are at the final step, little friends. Let's color the emergency lights on top. One gets a lovely green and the other gets a bright red. Wee woo, wee woo! Now the sirens are ready to flash and let everyone know that help is on the way. Beep beep! Wait, look! We have one last special detail to add. Let's fill the spaces inside the ladder with these beautiful dark shades of blue and green. Wow! See how it makes the bright yellow steps pop out? Now our ladder looks completely solid and super strong. Now for the absolute magic touch. Let's take a black marker and trace over all the lines again. Wow, look at that! The black outline makes every single color pop out and look so neat and sharp. Our fire truck looks like it just jumped straight out of a comic book. Perfect! And ta-da! Our magnificent rainbow-colored fire truck is officially finished. Look how bright, cheerful, and heroic it looks. Our brave firefighters are so happy. They are jumping in, starting the engine, and zooming off to save the day. Beep beep, woo woo! You did a fantastic job drawing and painting with me today, little artists. If you loved this colorful adventure, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so we can create more beautiful drawings together. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hello, kids! I'm a fire truck. F is for fire truck. Fire truck to the rescue! Wow, here it comes! Hooray! It's the fire truck! Help, help! My building is on fire! Don't worry, the fire truck is here. We'll put out this fire. Wow, look at the fire truck! It's moving! I want to touch it!